Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. Today we'll actually just be looking at a really nice formation, right? So we'll just be looking at Volatility 75. Volatility 75 is actually giving a really nice formation. So usually I use my PC to trade and things like that. So I started receiving comments like I should also use my mobile device to also trade. That sometimes it's just understandable for some people to actually catch. So we'll just try balancing the stuffs now. We'll try using our mobile device and we'll try using our PC sometimes also. But today we'll actually just be using our mobile device to actually just be trading just like that. So as you can see, I'm just chilled sitting down here. I'm not even like walking or like I'm not like even stressing myself. I'm just like chilled here, and we'll just be using a capital of, let's say, roughly 3.9, something like this. So this is actually what we'll just be using. We'll just be using a capital of roughly 3.9. I don't know if that's very visible there. I don't know if that's very visible, but I hope so. So that's roughly 3.9 that we'll just be using there. And so we'll just be checking out our Volatility 75 index here. We'll just be checking out our Volatility 75 index. And this is actually what we're having, 3.9. So let's actually just check it out now. So we'll actually just be taking some nice sales here, right? So some nice sales. So we'll just be using a lot size of, let's say, 0.0, let's say 0. Let's just use 0.03, right? Let's use 0.03, right? And we can actually just sell quickly. I will actually explain some certain stuffs just a moment, but we are trying to scalp. Remember, we're not trying to like hold this trade for the longest time. We're just trying to scalp 100. So is that now? Okay, now it's there now. So if we go on a 4 hours time frame, this is actually what we're having, guys. Now, first of all, this particular stuff is actually give us our our upper channel or our elevated channel, right? Now, if you actually went through my book on the ultimate chart patterns, right, you should actually see it there, right? Now, I actually gave this particular stuff there, and just as explained there, you can actually see a nice formation like this in such a way that this particular stuff gives the my elevated channel like this, after which it tends to break my elevated channel, right? It breaks my elevated channel. If it was a channel that's the opposite, that's a channel that is decelerating or a downward channel, right? Then you should expect the opposite, going up, just like that. So in such a way that this particular stuff just actually pushed down like this, broke this particular stuff, pushed down, like came back to retest, and then gave this particular formation, this particular long wicket that is actually here, was to take out everyone, right? Because there were a lot of people in the trade, and you don't want that, of course. You want to reduce the number of people in the trade so that it pushes up to take out everyone here, after which it just plays around the spots. It plays around the spots that is here, after which it pushes down, comes to this level to hit that level, from that level to that, and just keep dropping down just like that. Now, let's just see how much we're having now. We're actually having like 883 now, and currently over 900 bucks that we're actually having now. So that's just it. Now, this will actually be a short video or something like that. But then let's actually just check our 5 minutes time frame. Now, if you actually check our 5 minutes time frame, you should see what I was showing you just now to actually take out everyone. Now, this is actually the formation to take out everyone. Now, usually it's supposed to just play around this range, which was here, right? But then no, it has to go up, right? It has to go up to make sure that it takes out everyone. Remember, this is actually the retest, right? This is actually the retest. These are the retests on our 4 hours time frame just now. These are the retests. Now, it actually came here to make sure that it takes out everyone. So everyone now feel, oh, okay, the trend has changed. It's going up now. Now, immediately as you feel like it's going up now, that's when it actually starts now. That's actually when it starts pushing and things like that. So that's when you hear people saying that this broker is very wicked, this broker hates me, things like that. But usually it's because you are trying to join the crowd. Now, usually when you actually see a nice formation like that, what you actually wait for is a confirmation, right? I can't hold this trade for long. The reason why I can't hold this trade for long is because the formation to drop down for long isn't fully completed. What I can do on this trade, I just scalp. I can go in and go out, go in and go out, go in and go out. Now, the reason why I went in, even though I started the video a bit late, was because it actually came back to retouch my bearish candlestick, right? To actually go on the left of my bearish candlestick. And whenever that particular stuff happens, what I'm expecting it to do is to just drop down. Drops down again to around this particular zone, pushes up, drops down, pushes up, drops down, until it finally breaks. Now, when it breaks, then you know it's dropping down finally, just like that. The retest has been completed. That's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. There's actually nothing complicated here. So if we actually go back on our 5 minutes time frame, which we're actually using to scalp, here's actually where we are looking for now. We're actually just waiting for this guy to come, hit the spot, right? After which it comes and hit the spot, after which it comes and hit the spot. Now, the three levels I actually just mentioned are what I call are internal resistance level. Those that have actually gone through my mentorship or even went through my free mentorship there on my website, they would know what I'm talking about. So that if we actually check what we're actually having now, we're actually having like 1.4K here, 1.4K movement at around this particular spot, just like that. So we can keep holding this trade. I will just wait for this particular stuff to just push down a little or so, after which I'm out of this trade just like that. So 1.9, 1.7, 1.6 is okay, guys. So after a few more minutes, this is actually what we're actually having here. So we're just having roughly like 2.5K or so currently on this particular trade, just like that. So that's just how this particular stuff actually goes, guys. So you can just see it just keeps pushing down like that. So we're actually having like 2.7K or so currently. And yeah, that's just the stuff, guys. That's just the stuff. So you can actually track these levels that I actually mentioned to you just now, this and this and then this level. So you can actually see these levels at around this particular spot also, just like that. So at about the spot, it means that that's it, we are done, just like that, guys. So that technically we were able to pick roughly 2.6K or so from this particular entry, like that. So roughly 2.7K from this particular stuff, because yeah, just roughly 2.7K that we're able to pick. Now remember, why I had to leave this trade very fast is because I was doing some scalping, right? Remember, we're just trying to like just enter and just quickly leave, just like that. So I've taken a few trades before. On our crash 1000, before. I've taken a few trades. I actually dropped the signal of this particular trade. I actually dropped the signal of this particular trade on the VIP group, right? So I actually dropped this particular signal there. I also dropped it also on the free group also. I actually dropped it there also. So in case you are not part of the Telegram channel, just check the link down below somewhere there. You should actually find the link to our Telegram channel there. You can simply just join the Telegram channel. I actually dropped this particular signal there also, just like that. Right, so guys, that's just how this particular stuff actually goes, guys. So if you're new to this thing, just remember to hit on the subscription button, hit on the like button, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any video that will be dropping out from this place, guys. So in this place, we actually drop free robot indicators majorly, and we'll also drop free strategies that you can actually just use to mine from the market crazily, just like that, guys, without ever stressing yourself or anything as such. So that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So bye from me, guys. I'm Mr. P, guys. Peace.